Apple has officially unveiled its newest flagship smartphones, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, once again setting new standards for mobile technology. These high-end devices boast larger displays, enhanced camera systems, and the introduction of Apple Intelligence, a new AI integration that positions them as transformative in the smartphone industry. While the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus serve as improved versions of their predecessors, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max bring significant upgrades, marking one of the most exciting iPhone releases in recent years. Pricing and release date. The pricing of the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max remains consistent with last year's models. The iPhone 16 Pro starts at $999 for the 128GB version, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is priced at $1,199 for the 256GB version. Pre-orders begin on September 13th, with the devices hitting stores on September 20th. Design and display. In terms of design, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max maintain the sleek, modern aesthetic introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro series. Both models feature a durable titanium frame and a matte glass back, providing a premium feel. Apple is sticking with its titanium color theme, offering these phones in black, white, natural, and desert titanium shades. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the increase in display size. The iPhone 16 Pro Max now features a 6.9-inch display, up from the 6.7-inch screen on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Similarly, the iPhone 16 Pro sports a 6.3-inch display, a slight upgrade from its predecessor's 6.1 inches. Despite these size increases, the phones remain compact, with only minimal changes in dimensions compared to their predecessors. A key addition this year is the new camera control button, located on the right side of the frame below the power button. This button allows users to quickly access camera functions, including launching the camera app, adjusting focus, capturing photos, recording videos, and zooming with ease. Display features and ports. While the screen sizes have grown, other display features remain similar to last year's models. Both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max come with Liquid Retina XDR displays with promotion technology, providing a smooth 120Hz refresh rate that ensures seamless scrolling and gaming. Apple has also standardized USB Type-C ports across its iPhone lineup and maintained the IP68 water and dust resistance rating, offering protection against the elements. Camera improvements. Photography enthusiasts will find plenty to be excited about with the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Both models are equipped with a 48MP wide camera as the main sensor. However, the standout feature is the 48MP ultra-wide camera that now supports telephoto photography. The telephoto lens has also been upgraded with a 5x optical zoom, replacing the 3x telephoto lens in previous models. This advanced tetraprism technology enhances the zoom capabilities, giving users more flexibility when capturing distant subjects. Performance and battery life. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are powered by the second-generation 3nm A18 Pro chip, which offers improved performance and efficiency. A major focus for Apple this year is on AI, with the introduction of Apple Intelligence and an enhanced neural engine designed to handle advanced AI tasks. The iPhone 16 series will also be the first to debut iOS 18, with new features centered around AI integration. On the connectivity front, the devices support Wi-Fi 7 and a more power-efficient 5G modem. Battery life has also been improved, with the iPhone 16 Pro Max featuring a larger 4,676 mAh battery, up from the 4,422 mAh battery in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. While no significant changes in charging speeds have been announced, the larger battery ensures longer usage times between charges. In summary, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max offer key upgrades in display size, camera technology, AI features, and battery life. Starting at $1,199, these devices are expected to be a hit among Apple fans and tech enthusiasts alike.